across the country.
That's
Today
true.
is National Record Store Day.
Record
Right.
store day.
Record
Which
store.
means all
We're
things
talking
vinyl.
vinyl.
Yeah.
You're going to be able to find rare editions released for this day only.
And at least at one location, you'll meet some cool talent. Cool is the key word at Daddy Cool. And there's something.
Sean, what are you doing?
Is that cool?
Well, what's going on? Are
Oh,
we
that's
on
very
TV?
cool.
Are you busting a
Are
move
we
here?
on TV?
Yeah.
Hey, we're rocking out to a little Stevie Wonder out here in front of Daddy Cool Records in downtown St. Pete. And yes, it's my favorite holiday. It's Record Store Day, celebrating indie record stores all over Tampa Bay and all over the nation. And here at Daddy Cool, they're going to have live music all day. But they have this one man, my favorite MC in the world. Forget about Kanye West. Forget about Jay-Z. It's our own Infinite Skills. How are you, my friend?
I'm good, man. I'm just part of the party, man. Like you said, it's my favorite holiday of the year. And, you know, it's a celebration for all music fans, all genres, all types, all ages. So
Right. So get people down here. We heard a little bit of your freestyle in the segment. Get people down here to Daddy Cool, but also incorporate Frank into your freestyle. Go.
It doesn't matter what kind of music you like. It doesn't matter how old you are. We got live music all day. Food Bar, Local 662.
Oh, we have the girls from Steffi Cakes giving away free cupcakes. There you go.
Anything
Steffi
you
Cakes.
need. I'll be on stage later on tonight at
What time?
6:45. We got a 30-minute set. Me and my man Carl Spenslow on the wheels, so we do it big.
Now, chances are you have heard Infinite Skills before. I have tickets, great tickets to the Rays game tonight. Tell us about that.
Actually, I did a song a little while ago called Raise Up. It's for the Rays, kind of commemorating really the whole history of the team. Just, you know, that upstart and, you know, people used to laugh
The
at us or
epic
whatever.
12-year history of the Tampa Bay Rays.
Exactly. So, you know, people try to kick us around, and then now they have to deal with us. And so I wanted to do something to represent that. So.
All right, Infinite Skills, your show tonight, family-friendly or not?
It is.
Get a little blue sometimes?
I mean, yeah, sometimes I get a little blue. I mean, but, you know, I do have music that has no curse words on it. I did an EP a couple years ago called Swoon Music, which is a mixture of hip-hop and oldies, no curse words whatsoever on that. So.
Now, real quick, Record Store Day, one of the big things, they have these one-day-only exclusive albums. I bought Frank this Eddie Vedder 7-inch 45 that he hasn't thanked me for yet. But also what they have is Infinite Skills. You are looking for...
I'm looking for the African Bambaataa. I'm also looking for a Little Richard album and a very rare Far Side album.
Yeah, I heard about that. The Little Richard thing is cool. Anyway, there he is, Infinite Skills. He's the best. Come on down here. You can hear him tonight. You can come to Daddy Cool. Check out all the deals they have. You got the Steffi Cake girls giving away free cupcakes. And go to abcactionnews.com for all your National Record Store Day info.
Very cool.
I know.
Sean is
Superstitious in the back there. With the, I like that. I'm going to break out the vinyl today when I go home. Why
It
not?
has that warmth.
Yes.
That sound that you can't replace with zeros and ones.
Well, keep it right here for more news coming up right